Hi, in this video you will see how to download and install PyCharm on your Windows computer. To download and install PyCharm, at first we need the software. So we can search in Google by typing PyCharm and then hit enter key to search PyCharm, and you will see there is a link which is coming from JetBrains and there is PyCharm. So PyCharm is developed by JetBrains. That's why we have to download from JetBrains. So to download we just need to click over there, and once you are there then you will see the PyCharm and there is a download button over there or also here. Just click any of the download button. Once you click download button, then it will give you two options. One is professional option and there is community option. Okay, I'm going to close this cookie bar because it's not required anymore. We can close this thing also. Now the screen is clear. Okay, so here is the main download link of PyCharm, and there are a couple of versions like Windows, Mac, Linux. This is a Windows version, so we definitely have to download the Windows version. And under Windows we see there are two versions. One is professional and other is community. Professional version you have to pay. Okay, so I'm not going to download this thing, but I will download community edition, which is completely free, and I can use this for most of the task. Okay, so to download this community edition, there is a download button. Just click over there and it will start downloading very shortly. And you will see in the bottom that it started downloading. And just wait few more seconds, it will finish download. The actual size of PyCharm is like 267 megabyte. So it will take some time. And once you finished downloading PyCharm, that means the installer, then we are ready to install that. So this will be finished within few seconds. Let me go to the download location of PyCharm. For my computer, the everything is downloaded in under downloads location. So if I go to download location, then I will see that something is downloading. So basically this will be the PyCharm. So we are almost finished. There is 0 seconds is showing, so I think it will be finished very shortly. Yes, and we see that the PyCharm community edition is downloaded successfully, and this is a Windows version. That's why it is .exe. So to run this installer, what we have to do, we have to double click on top of it, or we can do one thing, we can right click and then we can choose open from there, and it will start installing. It might ask you like this type of thing: do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? You have to click yes because you want to install. So I just clicked yes, and then the installer window will be appeared, and here there will be next button, and it will ask you that welcome to PyCharm community edition setup, and to go forward we have to go by pressing next button. So I'm going to click next button, and then it will ask me which is the location you want to install. You can choose the location where you want to install, but for me I like the default installation location, so I am not going to change. But if you want to change the location, you can go browse and then from there you can install. So I'm going to hit next button to go to the next step. And one more thing before going to next step, it is showing that we need 674 megabyte of space to install this PyCharm. So I'll suggest you, before installation, make sure that your hard disk has enough space. Once it is okay, then go to the next button to start the installation. We will not change anything over there. I'll hit next button, and then there is a button install. Once we start clicking over there, then it will start installation. So I'm going to click install, and then it will start installation very shortly. And if you want to see the details of the installation, there is a button show details. If you click there, it will show you what it is doing, but it's up to you. I don't like, but just to show you that it is working, the installation. So once the installation is completed, then we'll get some confirmation message that the PyCharm installation is complete. So let's wait few more seconds till it finish the installation. When the installation is completed, then you will get this type of thing that click finish to close setup. That means it is installed successfully. Just click on finish button, and the installation is complete. Now we can close this thing, we don't need, and we can also close this browser. I'm going to close this thing. Now our target is to open the PyCharm. So to open PyCharm, just click on the start menu, and from there just start typing PyCharm, and you'll see PyCharm is there. Just click over there and it will start the PyCharm editor. It will take some time at the beginning to start because this is a heavy software. So far I feel it takes some time. For the first time, when you try to open PyCharm, then it will ask you to confirm that I have read and accept. That means you have to accept this agreement or license agreement something, and then you have to hit continue button, and then you have to click don't send, because I don't want to share any data, so I'm clicking don't send. But if you want to share your data, you can do this thing, but I'm not interested, so I'm going to hit don't send this button, and the PyCharm, this colorful window will be appeared, and it is asking what type of UI I am interested, like black or light. There is two mode, like Dracula and light. Light means it will be this color, and Dracula means it's dark color. So I am fine with this thing, and then we can actually close this or skip remaining and set defaults. Okay, so I'm going to hit this thing because I want to complete the instruction very fast. So I'm going to hit here, and then what will happen, it will uh, choose all the default settings, and then it will finish setup the PyCharm, and it will open PyCharm very shortly. So this is the installation of PyCharm. Now we are ready to use the PyCharm. So in this video, I just try to show you how to install PyCharm, and after installing the PyCharm, you can create a new project, or if you already have a Python project, you can also open from here. Okay, but I'm not going to do this thing because this was the tutorial how to install PyCharm. That's why I showed you. But if you want to know how to use PyCharm, you can check my Selenium related tutorial, where I created on Selenium project or Python project, something like that. You can check that thing. It will be very easy and simple. So thank you for watching, and I believe by watching this video you are able to install PyCharm on your Windows computer. And if you face any difficulties, please put in the comment section. And if you feel this video is useful, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. uh, and also don't forget to share this video with others. And at last, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.